What's going on? This is Dalton WIldwood Adventures, and this is Catch Basin Clean Out Sessions. Today I am in Santa Clarita, and we are cleaning out the LA County Department of Public Works catch basins to make sure that we don't get any trash, leaves, and extra dirt and stuff that goes down to the ocean. And we're in the process of cleaning out about 90,000 of them. I'm a project supervisor, and right now I'm with the crew that is headed up by Marco. This is Marco right here. And we got someone down in the catch basin right now. Right here. Now these are some of the nicer and cleaner ones in LA County. We encounter all kinds of interesting objects. We found guns, magazines with bullets in them, money, tennis balls, keys, phones, you name it. And these guys really bust their butts in getting in these things and cleaning them out. Of course, safety is our #1 concern. So when we come upon one that might be a biohazard, we just close it up, make a note, and we have a special crew that comes in and cleans those out. So let's take a look inside. As you can see, this one is a grate. A lot of them are manholes that they have to crawl through. But this one is a grate, which they use a special pick to open up. Okay, I'm going to turn you off for a second. Okay, right now I'm down inside one of the catch basins, and as you can see, it's a tight fit. Even for my large butt, it's tough to get around. We got this guy down in here, really cleaning them out well, doing a good job. And it's not a job suitable for someone with claustrophobia, but in case you're wondering, everyone's masked up, gloved up. They get tested every day, temperature, and it's a real interesting environment, to say the least. You're watching Dalton WIldwood Adventures. Catch Basin Clean Out Sessions.